The wolf turned to Little Red Riding Hood and asked if her grandmother lived far from her. She responded by saying, "Oh, no, she lives across the forest, in the first house in the village, with the little red door." The wolf gave then Little Red Riding Hood directions to her grandmother's house. He told her to follow the road and she would get to her grandmother's house faster. Little Red Riding Hood thanked the wolf and was on her way. While Little Red Riding Hood was walking to her grandmother's house, she continued to stop to pick flowers. This allowed for plenty of time for the wolf to get to grandmother's house first. Little Red Riding Hood finally made it to her grandmother's house. When she got there, she knocked on the door and heard her grandmother say, "Who is it?" Quickly responded, "It's me, grandmother, Little Red Riding Hood." Grandmother then replied, "Come in." Little Red Riding Hood had no idea that the wolf was the one pretending to be her grandmother.